Apparently this is the most popular item in Japan. Welcome back to Revealing Japan. Today we are in Yaotsu. Here we are with Kamiya-san, who owns this senbei factory, which is like crackers, cookies, stuff like that, Japanese traditional sweets. And he's going to show you around the factory. 今日はよろしくお願いします。Let's go. Waffle. Oh, that's interesting. 結構海外のなんですかね、
これですか？
そうですね。海外向けですかね。
向けですね。ワッフルクッキーという名前で呼ばれているものなんですけれども、日本の伝統的な格子柄なんですけど、ワッフルの模様に似てるっていうことで、そっちの方がポピュラーに説明できるので、ワッフルクッキーっていうふうに言ってます。
若者を。
あ、そうですね。
なるほど。
皆さん格子模様って言っても分かりづらい。
まあですよね。
はい。
そうそう。Okay, guys, we're going to go in where they make the senbei.
今焼いてるのはメープル味ですね。メープルシュガーいっぱい入れてます。
そうかそうかそうか。うわ、もうむちゃくちゃもう匂いがすごいです。Guys, it smells amazing. うわ、本当にいい匂いですよ。Wow, apparently this is the most popular item in Japan.
ワッフル模様といえばワッフル模様。
Yeah, it looks like they look like waffles. Oh my god. 素晴らしい。これでもせんべいですか？
あ、そうです。
おー、なんか新しいというかすごくいい感じですよね。This looks great. It's just like mini waffles.
ヨーロッパだとこういう形のクッキーってもうちょっと薄いんですけど、結構いろいろ出てて、サブリですね。
そうですね。はい。I see, I see. Wow, yeah, they kind of look like samples, but like they have this different kind of thing, like the Japanese thing into it. They're a little bit thicker if you can see the cookie.
先ほどパックしてたのがこのおせんべい。
おー、1個取ってもいいですか？
あ、どうぞ。
Let's get one of them. Oh, なんかね。じゃあ、よいしょ。Look at this, guys. Right and fresh from the factory, right from the oven. You can see it's a little bit different from other cookies because it's a little bit thicker, right? ちょっとパリッといきますか？There you go. やっぱりそうすごくいいですよね。めちゃくちゃうまいじゃないですか。美味しいですか？美味しい。Wow, that's really good. That's really good. もうなんだろうね、最高。焼き上がりだからもう最高ですこれは。Wow, this is really great. They're crunchy, they're soft, and the maple syrup, like it's just packed like flavor is great. Wow, I'm surprised. Really good. Let's go to the next place.
これ主原料の小麦ですね。25キロあります。これはアメリカ産なんですよ。
Really? へえ、日清製粉フラワ
ー。日本で製粉してるんですけど、アメリカの小麦を使ってます。これはわざとこだわりがあって。
なるほど。
海外の向けの方がパリッとなります。
So apparently, this flour is actually an American flour, right? They're using American wheat, and then they process it in Japan and stuff like that. But they have that sort of like a property that makes their senbei, their cookies, their crackers, be like very crunchy and soft at the same time.
お砂糖ですね。お砂糖。
HSS. This one's sugar.
ホワイトシュガーですね。
Is this a Japanese sugar or American sugar?
これはですね、日本の。
ああ、なるほど。
やっぱり結構いっぱい使うんで、これ
はい。
ビートってわかりますか？
It's beet sugar. It's not like normally we use sugar cane for sugar, but this is beet sugar, right? So it's a little bit different, right? So that also adds to the flavor, I think, right? So the idea with about using beet flour is that it makes the flavor a little bit more 柔らかい. It's like a little bit more like smooth per se, right? And so Like combining this beet sugar with the American flour is what makes this special type of cookie cracker be soft and crunchy and sweet, but not too sweet. Like that's something I really want to say. So it's like a very balanced kind of like cracker cake, like very like soft cookie per se. It's just great. Like, and I think that pretty much comes from the beet sugar and the American flour that you're using over there.
これね、あれですよ、ピーナッツですね。
すごい. Everybody loves peanuts. I love peanuts. He loves peanuts. He loves peanuts. Everybody loves peanuts.
2つ割り。
Ah, okay. So it's just they're already like broken into two pieces. Okay. How about these? Do you have like anything special, like こだわりとかあったりしますか？このピーナッツの。
ですね、うちは小さいものを使ってる小粒。
はあはあはあはあ。
こう挟むんで、大粒だとやっぱ割れちゃいます。割れたり傷がついたりするとオイルが出てきて、やっぱりダメになるのが早くなるし、油こう匂いが出てくるんで、ピーナッツ。なんで普通にこう自然に2つに割れる。カットしたものを使うんじゃなくて2つに自然に割れる部分を使ってもうピーナッツの風味いい状態のままクッキーにしてます。
なるほど。So apparently they also have those are really chooser peanuts, right? They use this special type of peanuts that is like it's not the big one kind of thing, but it's a smaller one, and that it is also already cut into two pieces. Why? Because they have like their sembes, right? And they press the peanuts into the sembe, and having a bigger peanut per se would make the flavors of the peanut go out a little bit more with the oils and stuff, which makes it like have an unpleasant smell from time to time. It also makes for the sembe to have a shorter shell life, right? So this is actually also a part of what makes them so special. Alright guys, we're now in the factory, inside of the factory where they produce all of their senbei and their cookies or crackers. This machine over there presses that into a small piece that will become the waffle, which just goes all the way over there to the conveyor belt. Peanuts just go on top of it. ぎゅーっと。
そうです。
なるほど。ありがとうございます。